having a younger sister that looks exactly like you, check.
I'm just like you, I'm just like you, you're just like me, you're just like me. It's something anyone can see.
What I come home to every day.
Hi, Thor. Hi, Thor. How you doing?
Some corn. You ready?
Oh, darling!
New trend. Kiss your pet on the head and see their reaction.
Run.
How about we go see Chandler? Ross? We could go see Phoebe. How about Bailey?
New trend. Kiss your pet on the head and see their reaction.
The most random thing that triggers your dog.
The McDonald's theme song.
Rip, sit. Sit. Thanks.
Pretending to cry in front of my corgis.
Two minutes later. Oh, that's not nice.
Teach your cat some respect.
Get your mother hand off me.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall.
Hey, Maddie, can I get an hour hour?
Babe, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Fatty. But her real name's Ash. Because, you know, she's great, like Ash. But she's so fat.
Stop
Call her Fatty.
Stop calling her fatty.
Look, get the angle, man. Zoom out. That's a fat cat.
What's up? I like your car. What's up?
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy dog. Look at my.
I don't want to go to I have to sit down and stop your screaming. Vigo, sit. Sit. And stop that. Sit. Stop that screaming.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
No! 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 You. Why?
Show your baby as a newborn versus now.
Kylo, can I get a ah?
Really? Really?
White.
There's a bit of a clogging problem.
Are you serious?
It's so deep and so tall. We can knock it. Dude, you just ruined our fort.
You're for it, really?
Yeah, it's story time for us.
Oh, wow, with the cats.
Yeah, it's our favorite book.
Oh,
too.
I'm so sorry. Let me just fix your little fort here.
Okay, guys, where did I leave off?
Where's your mama? Come on, baby. Come on.
Coco, she's being sweet to you. Coco, stop it. Oh my God.
What's the most random thing that triggers your dog? I'll go first.
No, it's my turn to sleep with Chase. Come on, Chase. Come on.
This one go with you.
I want him to sleep with me. Come on. Ow! Come on.
See?
Y'all are busted. Look at y'all. Uh-huh. Got y'all. Eating freaking chicken wings. Both of y'all. What is going on? Dylan, Bella, and chicken wings. Y'all are bad.